It is curious that there are many programs that deal with the issues of women, or with the physical parts of women, or the organs of women, but we rarely hear of programs that deal with the penis. In this presentation with Dr. Chavez, he has shown us that the penis is important in sexual relationships. We're not only speaking of pleasure, but also of relationships between couples and how they feel about themselves. All of us know someone, an acquaintance, a cousin, or a neighbor that has asked us the question that all of us want to know, but nobody dares to ask.
That's right.
So, can we scientifically enlarge the penis with or without surgery?
Of course, yes, it can be enlarged.
So, it is possible to enlarge it.
Of course, yes, we can enlarge it.
Phew!
Unfortunately, a lot of people distrust these methods because there's a lot of fraud in this industry. If we watch TV in the middle of the night, we see that they offer pills and injections. They say that if you take 2 or 3 pills a day, then in 3 months you'll gain 2 to 3 inches in length.
On the internet, we often see these advertisements.
And many of these are fraudulent. They are charlatans. People order and buy these pills and nothing happens. Nothing happens. But there actually is a way that the penis can be modified. It can be enlarged with exercise. All pills, ointments, and injections are a bunch of lies. With these, nothing ever happens. With exercise, it's possible.
If I used an ointment on my arm, it wouldn't grow bigger. But with exercise then, yes, it would.
We see women around the world who, for a period of years, stretch their ears and lips. We see Padang women of Myanmar that put rings around their necks, elongating their spine and neck up to 10 inches. They are well known as the giraffe women. They accomplish this by exercising their necks. If I want to increase the size of my biceps, triceps, back muscles, or chest, then I go to the gym and the trainer gives me a certain routine that I need to follow. He tells me that he wants me to be at the gym 2 to 3 hours a day. If I follow this routine, I will start to see changes in my body. The penis is made up of soft tissue, and by using an apparatus like the one we have here called the andropenis, we can elongate it. It is a device that has received a lot of acclaim in Europe and is now internationally renowned. It was created by the Andro Medical Company in Madrid, Spain, and for the past 6 years I have been proud to be the official distributor here in the Republic of Mexico. This is an external device that is worn on the penis. You can walk, drive, or sit comfortably while wearing it. While wearing it, you can do anything you wish. You can put it on and take it off at any time without causing any side effects. You can even wear it while you sleep. When this device is placed on the penis, it will perform a stretching exercise to elongate the penis. It is a penile extender. We recommend that you use it for 2 to 3 hours, then rest for 2 to 3 hours, and repeat this process until you reach 8 hours in a day. If you wear the andropenis for 8 to 10 hours a day, we guarantee that you will gain a minimum of 1/4 inch a month in length in both the flaccid and erect state. In other words, by using this for 6 months, you should gain 1 to 2 inches of length. This is the method we have for penis enlargement without surgery.
Where does the penis go?
Well, you hold the apparatus like this, and here you introduce the penis. You take the silicone strap and you wrap it at the base of the head of the penis. Once it is in place, you push down on the apparatus and your penis will stretch. This stretching is what causes the growth. When it is placed correctly, the penis feels like a tight guitar string.
Can I sit down without any problems?
Yes, sitting, walking,
Can I be
whatever.
wearing it right now?
Yes, it's unnoticeable. People can't tell that you're wearing it. Many people wonder how this is possible. This seems too good to be true. It seems so easy. We as people distrust these products that are scientifically proven more than the pills and other things we buy from the TV, and we don't even know what we are taking. Many times we're just taking a sugar pill. Think about this. When we have an infection in our throat, or we have an infection in a fingernail or a toe, we go to the doctor. The doctor will give us an antibiotic. Then the antibiotic will get rid of our throat infection and the infection in our toe. So, I wonder how it is possible that we can believe that a pill will only enlarge our penis and not enlarge our ears or our fingers. How is it possible that only the penis will be affected?
In other words, if I inject my finger here, my finger will grow, but so will other parts of me. Now, friends of mine, neighbors, or cousins have asked me, does size really matter?
Yes, of course it matters.
That's what I tell them too.
Yes, size matters. Of course it does, because as males, Leonardo, we don't have anything else to offer our partners.
Elena.
We don't have much to offer our partner in the bedroom. Women, our partners, have beauty and they are curvaceous. But the only thing that we can offer them is a penis, an erect penis. And well, yes, size matters. Size matters because mathematics don't lie. It is not the same to have 4 inches of length with a 2-inch diameter as it is to have 6 to 8 inches with a 3.5-inch diameter. And this is what we can offer our partners.
In 6 months, for 8 hours a day, how much can we gain?
You can gain from 1 to 2 inches in 6 months. You will gain it gradually because it is done by exercise without surgery. Now let's talk about surgery.
Surgery?
Yes. With surgery, you go into the operating room and are under anesthesia. We make an incision at the base of the penis, the lower part of the penis, and we cut the suspensory ligaments. After cutting the suspensory ligaments, you gain 1 extra inch. We then put a small prosthesis at the end of those ligaments, because if we don't put that small prosthesis at the end of those ligaments, they could join back together later, and then you would lose that extra inch that you just gained. People ask, as long as you're doing it, why don't you give me 2 to 3 inches? Well, anatomically, we can't add 2 to 3 inches. We can only add 1 inch with the surgery. So what's the difference? By wearing the apparatus, you gain 2 inches in 6 months, and with surgery, you gain 1 inch in a day.
With an erection, it appears to be more?
Yes, and with an erection, the patient seems more comfortable with himself in the bedroom. It increases his self-esteem, too. So there are ways to modify the penis.
What's the difference? Which one do you recommend?
I say whichever one you want. Okay, so patients say, Doctor, I have the patients to wear the apparatus for 6 months and gain 2 inches, but I also want the surgery to enlarge my penis 1 inch more. And I say, yes, it's possible. You can do both.
So, 1 plus 2 equals 3 inches gain in total?
Yes. 1 plus 2 equals 3 inches gain in total and 3 inches in an erect penis. That is a very substantial difference.
You tell a patient, let's see how much you gain in 6 months, wearing the apparatus. In 6 months, right?
Of course that's right. We do this surgical procedure here in Guadalajara at the Mexico Americano Hospital. It has received a lot of international acclaim. It is ISO certified and recently obtained the accreditation of the Joint International Commission. This is an accreditation that only 5 hospitals in Latin America have obtained.
So people can be confident that they are reliable.
Yes, people know they are reliable. The surgery is done at the hospital and patients are hospitalized for 4 hours. No, you don't have to spend a night at the hospital if it is a penis enlargement.
So after 4 hours, you're released?
Yes, after 4 hours, you're released.
So it is possible to enlarge your penis?
Of course it's possible.